If you're trying to get MovieBox on your laptop or PC and you don't want to mess with sketchy websites, viruses, or fake downloads, this video is for you. I'll show you the safest and easiest way to do it. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product, I'm not promoting piracy, and I'm not affiliated with MovieBox in any way. This video is made to help you avoid getting misled or downloading something harmful. All right, let's get into it. First, go to the Microsoft Store, the official one. Make sure you're actually inside the Microsoft Store app and not a random website. Once you're on the Microsoft Store homepage, click on the search bar inside the store and type MovieBox. If the app appears in the results, click on it, double-check that it's published through the official Microsoft Store, and then hit the download or install button. At that point, Windows will handle everything automatically and MovieBox will install on your PC or laptop. Now, if MovieBox does not show up in the Microsoft Store search, there's another option that usually works. Open your browser, Chrome, Edge, or whatever you use, and search Microsoft Store MovieBox. When the results show up, make sure the link clearly leads to the official Microsoft Store website. This is very important. Avoid third-party sites, pop-ups, or pages asking you to download extra files. If the page looks suspicious, don't click it. Once you're on the official Microsoft Store page for MovieBox, just click Get or Download, and it will automatically open the Microsoft Store app and begin installing the app on your device. That's it. No cracked files, no sketchy installers, no malware, just the safest way possible. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.